Second function is for subtraction. Third function is for we put this multiplication. These all are the different functions. Okay, mainly by functions we choose. If we define the functions, then it is easy to make a code. Means if uh, one time I make a function as a arithmetic. If I want to use this arithmetic function, it's anywhere in the application. So I have to always call this function, not write a code for this functions all the time. Okay. Here, yeah, means random is the particular file, particular function which is a inbuilt function of, which is given in a Python library. Okay, but
So,
if
can we call random a function?
yeah, random is a function. Particular, we want a random values. By using of this function, I got the values. Okay, random is the particular function.
Okay.
Now, yeah, but here I means I show you here there is the four types of functions available in a Python. Here mainly to write a to understand the details of function, calls and argument passing in Python. Means in a Python, if you want to know about the function, for that we using two things. One, call the function, and second, pass the arguments. I will explain you what is the arguments, what is the why we call the function and all. Okay. If we define the functions in proper manner, then we reduce the code duplication. Okay. Means complexity of the code is also decreased. If I define one time function and use in multiple times in my code, so my length of the code is also reduced because of the function. Okay. Now,
Okay.
yeah. There is a four type of functions available in a Python. Okay. First function is the our programs comprise a single function called a main. Means if I started to write a program, okay, I made one function, okay, in a program, in current program. It's a main function. Means in this function I put all the another functions. Okay. So this is the
So,
first type of
so,
function.
sorry.
Yeah.
When we say function, what is a general meaning or
Uh,
definition of? Can we just give a short general definition of function?
Mainly the definition of functions we can say if we want to do means if we want some work, want to do some work from our code, okay, then particular I give uh, one second I give an example like a electrician. Okay, it's a it's a function. Why it is function? Because electrician do the electrical works. Okay. Then second function we can say the carpenter. It do the carpentry work. Okay. When I want a carpentry work, then I always ask this carpenter function. Okay. In the mainly the function is you can say means mainly we define the objects in our program, like the same we define the functions. Okay. Function is the action of the code. Okay.
The action of the code.
Yeah, action of the code. Okay, here are four types of functions. First function mainly in when we start our program, we define the class, we define the object, and we define one main function. In this main function, we define all the functions. Okay, in .NET you can see mainly we define all the class in one place. We define all the objects in one place. We define all the functions in one place. And when we require the function, I have only called the function. Okay, in .NET framework means .NET language mainly we work like that. The same here also in Python we define all the functions in a word function page. in one main function page, then this is called the first type of function. Okay. Second type of function is the built-in Python function. Built-in Python function means Python have some functions like a input function. We write a input command, then by using of this we enter the keyboard values in our program. Okay. So this type of sub functions is available in a Python. This is the inbuilt functions. Okay. For that I have to only write a command, nothing else. Okay. Like this abs is the absolute value, integer value, string value. These all are functions, means
Okay.
particular command. These commands are inbuilt function of the Python. By using of this, directly I write an integer, then it will take automatically integer value. No need to I define the integer. What is the integer? Because already it has an inbuilt function. He knows if I write an integer, then it has to take a integer values. Okay. This is the second type of function. First type of function where we define all the functions. Second type of function is the is it means it is a like a command. Okay. The third function from the standard libraries. I already show you the library. In library we have a different function like a random. Mainly we use random. This is the one function which is a which is an inbuilt Python library. Okay. And last one is the functions from the graphics module. Means mainly for if I want to make some GUI application, for that we have some functions available in a Python.
Okay.
Okay.
You said you were going to show me some GUI
Yes. In next slide I will show you. Okay. Yeah.
model.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
Mainly by we use functions. First is easier for programmer to work together. Means if I put
okay.
all the functions, I define all the functions in a one place, so any developer can read, any programmer can understand what type of functions is used by this application and where I have to
Okay.
put my new app functions. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, the second is put details of while looking at a big picture. But mainly every time I write a code for the functions, then my length of the code is also increases and the complexity of the application is also increases. But if we use particular function file, then I have to only call the function. Okay, so the length of the code is not increases and also it's looking good, and the every person can understand, any developer can understand what type of program or what type of code is going on in this application. Okay. If
All right.
I define the function, the testing and debugging is all of the application is also easily we can do the testing, because I don't no need to check every time this functions. If I write a this same function in a many multiple times, then when I get the error at that time I have to check and also correct at every place. But if I define a one function, so I have to correct only at one place. Okay.
All right.
So this is the easier for testing and debugging. If I want to correct my error, then it is easy if I define the functions. Otherwise, I have
Okay.
to, at every page, I have to check the error and also then correct it. It is a too big task. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now next is what is the application of functions? I already told you. Uh, Writing the same code twice or more, this is the difficult to handle it. It is difficult to error handling. So mainly the functions use is what, to make the code clear. Secondly, the debugging problem, this error handling is easy because of the function. And second, third one, it reduce the code duplication, and it make programs more easier understood and maintained. Okay, we can maintain the application easy way. Okay, and now 1 second. Now here is the definition. The function is like a sub-program, a small program that is a part of a larger one. Okay, function is particular one type of small program. Random is the function. In this you have we have seen some program is written in this random file. Okay, then
Okay.
yeah, then we can then execute this sequence at any time with by referring to the name, like making a new keywords in a language. This is nothing simple. We are, if we clearly mention the, which clearly define the function, it is easy to understand. Like create one, I define one function as a add. So it is easy to understand what we what this code want to say. Add function with addition is available. It is used for addition, nothing for nothing else. Okay. The secondly we can say, if we create a function in one program, okay, so it's called function definition. But when function is used in a program, we say the definition is called origin mode. Okay, simply I say, if I write a one function in a program, so it's a we say it's a function. But if we call the function every time, so it's called a called function. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, means when I want to add my when I want to add something, at that time I only call the add function. So this function is this, we can say this function as a called function. Okay, but if I write a arithmetic as a one function, this is really the define a new function, main function.